might have seen this type of video on YouTube. There is a presenter on screen like a real human or animated character talking directly to the camera, explaining things clearly, confidently. Sometimes it's almost like a real person recording in a studio. So why do you need a presenter anyway? You can go faceless, right? Yes, you can, but still presenter style videos work incredibly well because they feel personal. When there is someone on screen speaking directly to you, it builds trust faster. The viewer feels like they're having a conversation instead of watching a slideshow. And the channel also gets recognized easily as it maintains a specific character. That's why these videos perform well in niches like education, motivation, productivity, business, psychology, and even tech. The problem is creating these videos the traditional way takes effort. Creating animated character is super tough, and if you want to come in front of the camera, you need confidence, good delivery retakes, editing, and consistency. In today's videos, let's learn a simple way of creating such presenter style videos using Vexub. So let's go to Vexub, then choose the text to video option. Click on go to step 2. Now choose the video format. Select the horizontal format if you are making a long form YouTube video. This gives you the best layout for presenter style content and works perfectly for tutorials, explanations, and educational videos. Then click on go to step 3. Now this is the place where you can enable the presenter option. Instead of skipping the narrator, select the option that allows a presenter to appear on screen. This will place a virtual presenter in the video who speaks directly to the audience, just like a real talking head video. Just select one of the narrators from these narrators. You can select a cartoonish type of narrator, or there are some real human-like narrators as well. So let's select this one. After that, select a voice. The voice will be synced with the presenter automatically, and click on go to step 4. And now you have to generate a script. You can either paste your own script or let Vexub generate one from your video idea. Just put the video title here. Once the script appears, read it carefully and edit it. This is very important. Remove generic lines, make it sound natural, and structure it like real speech. Short sentences, clear punches, and the simple language work best. If everything looks good, click on go to step 5. Now select one of the image styles. Let's select this one and then click on start generation. Alright, as you can see, within a few moments, Vexub has created the full video. Let's play the video.
Successful people wake up at 5 a.m. Mornings shape our entire day. A strong morning routine can set the tone for productivity and health.
So what do you think? I think the video with the presenters picking the script, synced visuals, and smooth transitions all looks pretty good. But still, if needed, you can replace scenes, regenerate certain visuals, and when everything looks good and feels natural, you can export the video. So now you have a professional looking presenter style video ready to upload. So this is how you can create a presenter based video through Vexub. I hope it helps you. You can try out Vexub with their free credit and see how it works, and then you can choose one of their subscription packages. If you have any questions, let me know through the comment section. I'll catch you in the next video.